In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete one particular message on an iPhone Messages application. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Messages app. It will show you the list of all your text conversations, and first off, we need to enter one. And that will show us the list of our messages. If we would like to delete a message, all we have to do is just long press on it, then tap it More. Then we'll be able to select multiple messages at once to delete all of them in one click, or we can just stop right here at that trash bin and then select Delete Message. That will delete this message from the conversation. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.